Tukad Cepung Waterfall is natural tourist attraction that is still nature. There are many plants such as mushroom, tropical plants and green canyon which are lit by moss. The waterfall look amazing with the sunlight just down from the upside of the cliffs. Some people call it even light. A beauty combination between waterfall, heaven light and the wall making this place good as photo spot. In Balinese, Tukad means river and Cepung means deep. So, Tukad Cepung means deep river. The water from the river falling down into the cliffs. And the name is Tukad Cepung Waterfall. Hello guys, now we will explore one of the waterfall in Bangli. It is Tukad Cepung Waterfall. When we arrive on the junction, we will find poster. On the poster, there is picture about Tukad Cepung Waterfall. This picture is very beautiful. Tukad Cepung Waterfall is located in Banjar Pendoklot village, Temugu district, Bangli Regency. The distance from Denpasar airport about 45 km, takes about 90 minutes drive in normal traffic condition. The distance from Bangli city about 8 km to the east to access this waterfall. If you don't know about located Tukad Cepung Waterfall, you can search on Google Maps and then you can follow the direction by Google Maps and then you will arrive at parking area Tukad Cepung Waterfall. Okay guys, after we arrive on parking area, please park your motorcycle on this area. It is free for parking this area. East parking for motorbikes, west parking for the car. The parking area is close to the toilet. There is small box as donation place for 2,000 rupiah after using the toilet. And this is situation about the toilet, and then your transport will be safe here because the parking area is monitored by CCTV. There is direction to the east to Tukad Cepung Waterfall. We have to walk east through the town. This is the town. People Pendoklot village. There are several tombs there. Look at there. In this, there is the temple. People Pendoklot called by Prajapati Temple. And this is the pemun or the place to burn the corpse used by the villager. Here is still under construction cause there are many material construction and we will find the direction. On this area is still under construction. We will buy a ticket at the counter. Okay, this is the counter to Tukad Cepung Waterfall. Don't forget to bring money to buy ticket. One ticket 15,000 rupiah. This is ticket to Tukad Cepung Waterfall this side. Okay, after we buy ticket, we can see the attention. For number 1, don't litter garbage. For number 2, don't say dirty word, because there is holy place. For women in period may not enter on purifying area. After see the attention, we will see the offering flies. Actually, they put chanang as offering. There are several plants next to the road, such as coconut tree seeds, flower, and so on. On the right side of the road, there is rest area. Now we will check it. On the rest area, there is pile of gamelan. It is jungklik. This is traditional Balinese gamelan made from bamboo. It's all about the rest area. We will continue our adventure to the location. We have to walk to downstairs about 15 meters. There is sailor cloth, long fan, and souvenir. There are some guys taking picture in the Green Canyon. We will walk beside the small river. Usually, there are some visitors who ride on rock to take photo. There are many tropical plants that live on rock walls. They walk beside the rock to the waterfall. However, we will use a different path. This path is very narrow and wet. Maybe for fat person is too difficult to use this pathway. Where is the waterfall? Okay, guys, the waterfall is still hiding behind a big rock. And the water gets accumulated within the cliffs. It gets really deep during the rainy season. But during other season, you can stand and observe the water neatly flowing down and making a narrow stream inside the cliff. This place is comparatively cooler. The beauty of this waterfall has its own uniqueness that looks like water that's falls from the sky because the sunlight coming from above the waterfall illuminates the water. So that make this waterfall look bright and can make visitor trip with peaceful atmosphere, cool and beautiful. Peaceful and beautiful, that's what people feel after being in this waterfall. This waterfall has height about 15 meters and weight 20 meters. Many people call this waterfall from heaven.